Hi, LaLiLu.
Hey there, Lali.
Where are my Huntrix friends?
There they are.
Wow. They're dressed as mermaids. Let's call them.
Okay.
Hi.
We're so happy to see you.
Great, you're here. Wait a sec.
Ooh.
Where are your tails?
What tails?
What? LaLiLu, what's going on?
Looks like we'll have to craft those tails, bestie.
That's totally my kind of challenge. Rumi, let's start with you.
Yay!
Welcome to the workshop.
Wow. This place is awesome.
Have a seat right here. LaLiLu, where do we begin?
Let's find out. Look, we've got a golden checklist.
Good.
Oh, then let's start with the tail. Hop, the pattern is ready. I did such a great job.
Look, a golden jellyfish.
Oh, I've got an idea. Hey, Rumi, look, a real jellyfish.
Wow, it's so unusual. What a cutie. Looks like we've got the perfect crafting material now.
Bye-bye. Great, this will come in handy.
Yippee!
Awesome, pass it here. Placing the pattern on top.
Now trace it.
You got it. Carefully. Done.
Now let's trim it. Okay.
Excellent.
The second half is ready too. Now we just need to sew them together. Joining them with a neat stitch. The tail is ready. Rumi, try it on.
It has such a beautiful shine.
Yeah, but it's missing a fin. LaLiLu, bring the board.
Already here.
First, we need a sketch. Voila!
Looks great. Pass it here. Next, I'll need some hot glue.
No!
Lali, what's going on?
Wait, here, we need gold.
Right, put it in here.
Filling the outlines with glue.
You can never have too much gold. There we go, the fin is ready.
Shiny, but not shiny enough. Let's add some glitter. Just a sec. Like this.
Such a pretty effect.
Looks amazing, I love it.
Yay! Attaching the fin.
All right, your look is complete.
Yay, thank you. So cool, stylish, and comfy.
Heavy!
What's that?
My treasures.
Ooh.
Oh, just what I needed. These will be side fins.
Excellent. A shiny ribbon for the waist. And let's decorate the top, too. Perfect. Lali, what are you looking for?
Oh, found it.
Hey, Lali, show me.
My precious.
Oh.
Hey, it's mine.
Oh, come on, don't be greedy. Maybe we can trade?
I want it, I want it, I want it. Fine, take it.
Attaching it in the center. Here's our golden mermaid. Amazing work.
Yeah,
Check off the first item.
done.
Yippee!
Stay here, I'm swimming over to Mira. Hey, shall we continue?
Ah, there's a monster!
Where? I don't see anything.
It's just a little octopus. Look how cute it is.
Hi.
Wow.
What a little wonder. Oh, what's this?
Transformation cards. Where should we start? Oh, maybe.
I suggest starting with the tail.
Great. Ta-da! Here's the fabric.
Oh, my glitter, it's so pretty.
Wrapping the legs. That makes a perfect tail. Oh, I can't move. I'm falling.
Help, help.
Gotcha. Careful.
I think I know what's wrong. It's missing a fin.
Aha!
We can make one from wire. Shape it properly and cut off the excess. Thanks, Lali. Applying hot glue, attaching tulle, yep, like that. Adding clear polish on top.
I brought glitter. Huh? LaLiLu.
Hey!
Oh, why do I need a chair? Bye. Wow, thank you. I can rest for a bit. Oh, what a beautiful sparkle. Let's add more.
Look how the fin shimmers. Putting all the pieces together.
Wow!
Let's attach it quickly. As you wish. Decorating the shells.
And fins here too.
I'm ready to conquer the ocean depths.
But something still feels missing.
Maybe a new hairstyle?
No, a special top.
Yeah, this t-shirt definitely doesn't fit here. Switching to a better option. The look turned out super cute. Mira's tail is simply beautiful.
Wow, so pretty. Like a real model.
Thank you.
So, do you like it?
I absolutely love it.
Awesome. Then I'm off to Zoe. See ya. Oh, Zoe, hi. Ready for your makeover? Let's see what we'll craft first.
And it's a tail again.
Yay, love it. We need measurements.
Okay, a little more. And right here.
I I memorized everything. I'll draw the pattern now. Line here. Now marking, connecting, and this side. Shoot, that wasn't easy.
Lali, you did amazing. Let's divide it into pieces.
Wait, what's this?
What do you mean, patterns? You drew them yourself.
No. Let's decorate with rhinestones.
No, Lali, that won't work.
But why?
Cardboard theme, remember?
Okay, at least colored paper, please.
Let me see. Yep, that works. Laying it out. Oh, what are these piranhas? I'll pick these scissors. They have a scale pattern blade. Cutting the pieces. Perfect fit. Snap, and again. Great. Applying glue and sealing the edges. Assembling the tail piece by piece. Piercing through with skewers. Cutting off the excess. Gluing the tips. Cardboard fin.
Yay, the tail is ready. I'll bring it to Zoe. Express delivery. How do we attach it? She has legs.
Don't worry, I've got it. Take the doll. These pants aren't needed. Hey, who drew on her legs? Lali, naughty.
It's body art.
You little troublemaker. It's fine. The tail will cover it anyway. Let's secure it. Swoosh. Super duper.
I cut strips for decoration. Oops.
Gotcha.
I actually love the cardboard style.
What are you up to?
Oh, nothing much. Just watching TikToks.
Did you see that?
Where? Oh, that's Rumi. Swim over here. Where are you heading?
I'm swimming to a concert.
Wait, we're not done with your look yet.
Right. Where's our checklist? Here it is. 3 items still left.
Oh, so much to do. Sit right here. No time to waste. We've got hair, makeup, crown. Let's start with makeup. Our stylish vanity. Where's all the makeup?
Huh? What are we supposed to use?
I'll order it now. Eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, got it. What time is it?
Take a look.
The courier should already be here.
And here comes the Turtle Express.
Now I see why it took so long. Thanks, buddy. All right, this goes here. Don't move, you're in professional hands. Hold on, eyeliner, more sparkle, no rushing, voila.
So, is it pretty?
Something's missing.
Huh?
Right, I forgot lipstick. Carefully. Now that's beautiful.
What's next on the list? Huh?
Makeup's done, now the hairstyle.
Got it. I'll need a golden comb. Smooth out the flyaways. Freshen up Rumi's braid.
Look what I've got.
Ooh, hand it over. A luxurious gold cord. Wrapping it around the hairstyle. Adding gemstones. Wow, that's real elegance.
Yeah, it turned out great.
Check it off.
Yes, only the crown left. Will gold wire work?
Huh? That's perfect. Cutting off a piece. Where should I place the base?
Here, a royal cushion. What's next?
Next, zip ties. Huh?
Seriously? LaLiLu, but they're not gold.
Easy fix. Coating them with acrylic, just like this. Now attaching them to the base. Much better.
Wow, that's cool.
Don't you think we should add something?
I know. We're underwater after all.
Oh wow, they're so big and spiky. How do we attach them?
LaLiLu, you're such a scaredy cat.
All right, I've got it. This will work better.
Agreed, looks cute.
See? Attaching them to the crown, decorating with chains.
We need to add glitter.
Wow.
Done.
You're amazing as always, Lali. Time to put it on the doll. Rumi is a true sea queen. Yes. Hey, check out the look. Let's see. Oh, the gold style is definitely mine. Lali, is that you?
Time to work on your friends. Mira, are you having trouble?
It's so windy, my hair keeps getting in my face. I need a different hairstyle.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Let's brush it out. Your hair is so beautiful. LaLiLu, your turn now.
Thanks for the help. Yeah. Separating the side strands and braiding them. Gently pulling the hair to add volume. Twisting the braid and decorating it with a shell. Now wrapping it with the second braid. Okay, we need to figure something out for the bangs.
I decided I'm gonna be the most famous hairstylist in the world. Time to practice.
Okay, then I'll curl the hair with a flat iron. Nice, such bouncy curls.
Wow, that looks amazing. But something's still off. Let me think. I got it. Can I borrow this?
Hey, Lali, that's my bracelet.
Accessories are everything. It's life or death. There, perfect. A real tiara. Hey, would I make a pretty mermaid? Write in the comments.
Wow, Mira looks dazzling.
Oh, my glitter.
The Wheel of Fortune for Zoe. We got hairstyle.
That's exactly what I planned. All right, we need something unusual.
I'm ready for anything. Shall we start?
Let's do a dramatic makeover.
Oh, okay.
Lali love. Blonde? No, that's not what I expected. Let's try again.
Cute.
No, redo. Lali love. Where is my hair? Something didn't go as planned.
Stay calm, girls. We'll fix everything. I'll need craft paper and scissors. Cutting it into thin strips. That's it.
Wow, what do we need that for?
You'll see. Gluing the strands.
I'll help. I can't see anything. Let's trim the bangs. Just like in 5th grade.
Oh, that turned out so cute. But to make it more comfortable for Zoe, I'll roll the hair and twist it into buns.
Kinda basic, right? Huh? I saw something online. Quilling paper.
Great idea, Lali. Let's unpack it. Grab some black strips. Just a few pieces.
Done. Oh, now accessories. Awesome, the hairstyle is ready. Now we just need,
Hold on.
right, makeup.
A final step.
I know what we need.
Oh, cardboard makeup.
Yep, and what's that?
A shaped hole punch. Look, you take paper, press it, and it makes a stencil.
Wow, what's it for?
Huh? Let me show you. Place it and stamp the paint.
Done. My head is still buzzing.
Ew.
What a life hack. Now me. Just a little more right here. Ocean makeup. Wow.
See, I told you, you can make anything out of cardboard.
Right, I love cardboard DIY in the comments if you like cardboard crafts. Where are the girls?
Huh? Rumi and Mira are already here. Girls, we're style icons. Huntrix turned into stunning mermaids. What amazing looks.
Now tell me in the comments whose look you liked the most. Subscribe to the channel and check out the next video. Bye-bye!